Hello everyone. In this video, I'll take you on a journey to Kalka-Shimla Toy train. We reached Kalka from Delhi at around 6 am via train. This is the toy train which leaves for Shimla at 7 in the morning from Kalka and reaches at around 12 noon. But we decided to see the city of Kalka before and thus had booked our tickets for the train which leaves at 12 noon from Kalka. This is the Kalka railway station and it itself is quite an amazing place to be in. Then after freshening up in first class waiting room and having breakfast, we went to famous Kalkadevi Temple which was just 1.5 kilometers from railway station. After temple we went to this one Vihar Vatika Anand Park. This is the Haryana Himachal border which was at the walking distance from the park. This is the train which we boarded from Kalka to go to Shimla. We bought first class compartment ticket which costed us 500 rupees per seat. You can also book seats in general class or chair class whichever suits you. At 12:10 we left Kalka and headed towards Shimla. The Kalka-Shimla Railway is 2 feet 6 inch narrow gauge railway in North India which traverses a mostly mountainous route from Kalka to Shimla. On 8th July 2008, UNESCO added the Kalka-Shimla Railway to Mountain Railways of India World Heritage Site. The track has 20 picturesque stations, 103 tunnels, 912 curves, 969 bridges, and 3% slope. This is the Dharampur Station, which was our first stop in the journey. And there is another toy train coming from Shimla. After crossing Dharampur, we reached Barog station. This 1.14 kilometer tunnel at Barog, immediately before the Barog station, is the longest in the route. This is a very beautiful station and train stops here for about 15 minutes so that people can buy snacks and click photograph in this station. It also has railway rooms available so that if anyone wants to stay in them, can stay. Tunnel number 33 is named after Colonel Barog, who is also believed to haunt the place. In 1898, Colonel Barog, who was a railway engineer, was given the task of constructing a tunnel in this region and get the job done in stipulated time. He did several calculations and ordered laborers to start boring holes in the mountain from both the ends so that they could meet in the middle and finish the job in time. He had miscalculated, and even after boring holes and digging till the center of mountain, the tunnels from different ends did not meet in the middle. Due to the colonel's folly, was fired from job and also fined by the government. The workers too were furious with him for his mistake. This really depressed him and he felt absolutely humiliated and committed suicide in this tunnel. Barog was buried outside the incomplete tunnel to pay homage to his work, but locals believe he never left the place. His spirit still haunts the tunnel. The Kalka-Shimla Railway was built during the British rule in India with an aim to connect by Shimla, the summer capital of British Indian Rail Network. The rail network holds the Guinness Book of World Record for its 96 kilometers steepest rise in the altitude with crossover of 800 bridges and viaducts. It is one of the most beautiful hill railway in India. It was considered the crown jewel of Indian National Railways during British times. The 96-kilometer narrow gauge Kalka-Shimla Railway was opened in 1903 to connect Shimla, the summer capital of British India, with northern plains. The toy train chugs along the line, whistling through deodar, pine, ficus, oak, and maple wood at the speed of 22 kilometers an hour. At some point, we can even see Chandigarh Shimla Road running parallel to our railway tracks. This is the Kandaghat railway station. After Kandaghat, you have already gained a lot of altitude, and after this, the forest cover increases drastically, and temperature also drops by at least 10 degrees than what it was in Kalka. This train has major stops in Dharampur, Kumarhatti, Barog, Solan, Salogra, Kandaghat, Taradevi, Juto, Samarhill, and then at the last Shimla. We were also able to witness sunset from the train itself. This is the Samarhill railway station, just before Shimla. At 5:50 in the evening, we reached Shimla, and this is the Shimla railway station, which is at the walking distance from Victory Tunnel, and there are plenty of options of hotel where one can stay. This is Shimla city at night. Hope you liked the video. Do click on like button and click on subscribe button to see more videos like this. Thanks for your time.